name is Julian Wright, and I'm a senior here at Marquette, majoring in operations of supply chain management and finance. Let me start by telling you a few things about myself, but most importantly, why you should consider a major in operations of supply chain management. I'm a student athlete here at Marquette, and at the moment, my personal best in the 200-meter dash is 21 seconds flat, and this time makes me the fastest student on campus. And I believe it or not, there's a lot of supply chain behind my success on the track. These running shoes that I'm wearing when I'm at track are the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus. To be able to wear them, Nike is operating a very sophisticated global supply chain consisting of hundreds of different companies and relationships between them. For Nike to be able to manufacture my shoes, they need to first be able to globally source all the different parts and raw materials. Then once the shoes are produced, they need to be able to move across the ocean, offloaded, warehoused, and distributed inland to all the different buyers and ultimately end users like myself. For this supply chain to work, we need people with a lot of different skills, ranging from anything from technical to analytical, relationships and people skills, critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity. So it really is a field for anyone to find his or her space in. But Nike's supply chain is not the only example of a supply chain behind someone's success. Companies are realizing that the effect of supply chain management is becoming most crucial for their competitive advantage. For example, there's a supply chain behind Zara's super fast clothing operation. There's a supply chain behind UPS 1 billion units of COVID-19 vaccine distribution. There's a supply chain behind World Food Programme's ability to deliver over 3.3 million metric tons of food to some of the most remote and unstable areas of the world. Even behind the record quick 20-month completion of our new business school, there's a careful supply chain planning in place. So supply chain management is everywhere. We supply chain professionals literally move the world. So why should you consider a major in operations and supply chain management? First, Marquette's operations and supply chain management major is among the best in the country. For nearly a decade, we have been in the group of the top 20 most elite supply chain programs in the nation, both at the undergraduate and graduate level. Who would not want to be a part of a program like that? Next, we also have one of the best curricula in the nation. It is market-driven, highly applied, builds on the integration of both analytical and people skills, and is rooted in real-life practice. In this, you will get equipped with cutting-edge knowledge in areas such as global sourcing, logistics and distribution, manufacturing planning, negotiations, supply chain sustainability and resilience, analytics, and Industry 4.0 technologies, just to name a few of them. Also, OSCM pairs excellent with other majors. Companies are really interested in students that are majoring in OSCM and pairing it with other majors, such as information systems, business analytics, marketing, and finance, and so on. For those of you who wish to pursue master's degrees in supply chain management, we also have a solution for you as well. It is called the Accelerated Degree Program, or ADP, when we get fancy. Make sure you check it out. Let me tell you a few more things. Our program has nearly 100% placement rate for our students, which is amazing. More than half of our seniors have 2 or more internships, and our average salaries are so competitive, they are exceeding the national average of more than 20%. How come, you ask? Well, our Center for Supply Chain Management offers our students exceptional career development support throughout their studies. They offer careers in attending nationwide conferences, then individual coaching, student-employer matching, site visits, and memberships in the Supply Chain Club and Women of Supply Chain. In the last 5 years, our students have been recruited by more than 250 companies. They've been offering us really exciting and highly impactful career opportunities. Typical careers would include, for example, global sourcing specialists, category managers, supply chain consultants, supply chain analysts, or logistics coordinators, just to name a few of them. I cannot emphasize enough the value of working hard and the experience you get before entering a full-time job force at this major. I personally gained my experience with Grainger this summer, and let me tell you what it did for me. My job at Grainger this summer was a global supply chain and merchandising and supplier management intern. In this role, I worked with our internal supply chain team and our global suppliers. I developed a system for increasing the number of our diverse suppliers, which is still in use today, and this role gave me real-world experience that helped me with networking, applying what I've learned in the classroom, making a tangible impact, and ultimately making me more competitive in the job market. I hope you can see the impact that supply chain has on our lives and incredible career opportunities that lie ahead of you. By joining the OSCM major, you will become a part of the Marquette supply chain family, whose care and support for you does not stop once you leave college. For more information, please go to our website or contact Kelly Wesolowski for undergraduate information or Jyoti Ganda for graduate information. Thank you, and I hope you'll join us.